First of all, go to Telegram and search for Winlator group. Go to details and files. Download Winlator EN Fix 5 all resolution. I have already and I am cancelling it. Then go to downloads of your uh, files. Mine is Android/OBB. Now extract all the files from it. It will take some time. Now extracted folder, first of all install Winlator. Click on install. Install time depending on your smartphone, so keep patience. Done. Go to Winlator EN Fix All. Here you will find main1.com winlator.obb. So copy or cut this file and make a new folder in Android/OBB and name it com.winlator. Click OK and move OBB file to this folder. Now everything is complete. We have installed an application Winlator and paste the OBB file in file manager Android/OBB. Now we will open Winlator. Click to allow. It will install OBB image, so we will have to wait. Now everything is complete. Click on plus icon and name whatever you want to name it, Windows 1. If you have a Snapdragon processor, then leave everything as default, and if you have a Mali GPU, then select LPPV and pipe DX dropper Win 8. Show APS if you want to, and scroll down. In video memory size, you need to select 4096 maximum RAM. Now you need to change language of this operating system. So go to environment variables. In LC all, please type EN for English, and in place of CN you need to type US, basically English US, then OK. It will create container for us. Now our container is created. Click on three dot menu. Now our OS is configuring some features. It will ask for some files to download, or .NET framework to installing other exes. Windows software. One thing I need to mention here, the softwares are on which is support Windows XP is work here. You need to verify it will compatible at least Windows XP. Don't install Windows 10, Windows 11 or Windows 7 softwares. It will not work, or maybe has unexpected results. Now it will ask for installing .NET framework to install application to work properly. Hit install. It will installing. While installing, I pause the video and we will meet. Now installation is about to be completed. It will take some time in my computer. C drive is Windows program files, and D drive is your downloads folder. Here you will find your all downloaded files, and Z folder is Winlator working directory. Let's install some softwares. Salt, once again Salt. Here we install Mozilla Firefox. To open context menu, just tap and file and tap another finger on screen, just one, and open. Our installation is begin. Click on next. Leave everything default. Next. Next. Install. Click on finish. You will find all programs which you are installing or installed here. Here is a Internet Explorer, games, Mozilla Firefox, which are uh, previously installed. Now if you want to use keyboard, then tap just tap on back button once. You will find the keyboard. For hiding this, just one tap on back button. Now I am using a keyboard, notepad. Click on notepad. You can also format it. If you want to do a full screen, then toggle full screen. You can use a large area of your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.